So this is how we can change Pinterest board cover on your Android. So what you need to do is to open up the Pinterest app on your Android device, and there you can tap on your profile picture, right? So you don't go to the home screen or anything, but go directly to the profile picture. And there we have saved pins as well as boards. So swipe over to the boards and then tap on the one which you want to customize. Then obviously you can see multiple different things which you are looking at and all of the pins, but I want you to click on the three dots button in the top right, and there is the ability to edit board and header image. So when you click on this, you can change the settings for whichever the other things are in there, like add collaborators or delete it, whatever. But there is the option to choose a header image to feature at the top of this board, right? So it is in a sense a board cover. So you can tap on the option, you can choose it from all of the posts or all of the pins which are part of it, and using this you get to pick which one is going to pop up every time you look at that board, or which is going to be the cover which represents the rest of the contents inside. So you can get to pick it this way, then you can tap done and you are going to be good to go. So that's kind of how it works. Let me know below if you manage to get this to function. If not, I would recommend you to update your Pinterest app, as it is possible that an older version of the app doesn't support that feature. So go ahead and do that and it should be functional, it should work. So that's it. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss another tutorial like this one. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you then in the next video.